Welcome to the Land Surveying channel. That's Nexxis tutorial, where we take you on mesmerizing drone shots, epic adventures, software installations, and a whole lot of land surveying videos across farming landscape. Land surveying plays a crucial role in various industries, ensuring precise measurements for construction, mapping, and environmental planning. However, the field comes with its own set of challenges, from rugged terrains to complex data collection processes. On this channel, we're about showcasing the beauty of accurate land surveying through breathtaking drone shots, drilling adventures, software installation, and land survey tutorials. Join me as we delve into the world of land survey, equipment, and techniques. From satellite to drones, we explore the tools used to map out our world of precision. Witness the intricate process involved in conducting a survey, from setting control points to amazing data analysis. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Join our community of fellow explorers as we continue to uncover the world of accurate land surveying. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next trailing expedition.